It was 2 Lex, but it was really like, because I wouldn't know.
Hardcore science question.
Yeah.
Based on physics.
Okay.
In theory, if you were in space and you maybe ejaculated, is it possible that the ejaculate would propel you backwards? Like send you, like is it propulsion? Is there enough power in there to propel you?
There's only one way to find
It
out.
depends on how long you hold it in for, right?
Right.
Like if you didn't jerk off for like 4 months, and then you had like the mother load.
Still, I mean, you need something to go one way, so you go the other way.
Yeah.
And Lex had an answer, but I don't know.
What's the answer?
What?
We had a thought, I guess.
What if you blow out at the same time?
Yeah. I think in space the biodynamics of the liquids is different. I think it's actually difficult to have sex in space and to get people pregnant in space.
Has anybody ever gotten pregnant on the space station? Are they allowed even to have sex?
No, nobody has officially had sex in space. Officially, but unofficially, of course, people have tried.
I wonder if they have. I mean, how monitored are they?
There is a Wikipedia page about sex in space, and it's actually pretty detailed.
But it's Wikipedia, so you know it's half bullshit.
There's citations. I encourage people to look into it, read in detail. I mean, it's a serious problem. If you want to, colonize space, you probably want to have a lot of sex and get pregnant and have kids. And
well, don't you think they'll develop some sort of gravity generating machines?
Yeah, absolutely. You have to. Like Jeff Bezos talks about this a lot.
Yeah,
like how you create artificial gravity in space. Because for Jeff Bezos, the likely way to colonize space is to have space stations. Elon is more focused on colonizing planets, Mars.
Yeah.
So both are obviously going to be necessary, and you're going to need to have gravity in order to get laid.
Bro, the first people that make that trip. Ooh.
Yeah, Jamie was saying he wants to go.
I don't know about, I mean, on that trip, but
yeah,
a trip.
You go eventually?
No, why not?
Oh, dude, why? What if you die out there?
Okay, you're going to die.
Everybody dies.
Yeah, but you don't want to die that way, dude.
If you get to decide one way to die, that's not one of the worst ways.
Oh, it's the worst way. You're going to die in space, running out of air.
You don't know how it's going to happen. Could
What
be
about
on re-entry.
You could you could just cook instantly.
Could be on the way up.
You get hit by a micro meteorite.
Could be while you're asleep up there.
Could be.
Imagine standing on Mars, looking back at Earth.
Going, what the fuck did I do?
Yeah.
Why did I do this?
Yeah, and then having kids on Mars and
Oh, those
teaching
poor
them.
kids.
We came from there.
You think homeschooling's bad? How about space schooling?
Just imagine the crazy shit that happens on Mars. I mean, it's going to be, 100,000 people?
Yeah, and so you're going to get one psycho who's going to run everything, and they're going to take over.
Yeah.
Probably some cult leader convinces everybody to do it his way.
It's going to be a sex cult, 100%.
100%.
And we're back to sex in space.
Right, they're going to say, like, listen, if Elon is their man, Elon wants to procreate every chance he can. How many kids does he have now? Allegedly.
Double digits.
No, we don't even know how many.
Well,
Because they think he's got secret kids.
they think. Who's they?
They the
keep
fucking
count.
people that run the world.
Is there a Wikipedia page on this?
There probably is. He's probably got secret kids.
Secret kids.
Yeah. When you have, like, what does he have? Like $300+ billion?
It's growing.
You can have a few ladies here or there all over the place having kids. There's a lot of ladies that just want to have kids. They don't want a guy around.
Yeah.
Especially when they get a little older.
There's a castle in the south of France with a harem, just a bunch
Waiting
of kids.
for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just waiting for daddy
Allegedly.
to land his rocket ship.
Online it officially says at least 12.
Yeah, at least 12 kids. See, nobody even knows. Imagine no one knows how many kids you have. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.